我看到你的眼，第一次牵着手，是牵着你的手，独一无二的身材，比星星还要亮，传入掌心的温柔，比阳光还要暖。高山俯视我们的过去，在回家的路上找寻秘密，一个梦想和一个你 ，Forever with me， 指引我的是你的影子，在回家的路上。
What's wrong?
That's hilarious!
I want to be alone.
I got it! I think I know how to make Ashley laugh.
Wow, let's dance! We're only trying to cheer you up.
I'm sorry. I can't pretend to be happy when I'm not.
What now?
Ah!
Hey, get off!
I can't waste my time with sad memories and bad times. To Pavonine Lake!
Let's go!
Brian, Ashley, this way! This is fun! Whee!
Yeah!
Hey, help me!
I'm gonna beat you, Ashley! Bye-bye! Come and get me! Come and get me if you can!
Yeah, I will!
You're too slow, guys!
See you later!
Hey, wait for me!
Ah, so you think you're gonna beat me, huh? Ashley, Brian, look at me! Ashley, I bet you can't do this! Ha! Good, huh? Beat that, Ashley!
Easy, that's nothing. Watch this! Hey! Whoa, whoa, yeah.
Huh? Huh? That's too dangerous! Yikes! Whoa! Ah! Hey!
Oh, what am I gonna do? Wow!
Phew, that was a close one.
Huh?
Ouch!
Hold on tight! Oh no, there's a cliff!
Oh no, this looks real bad! Hang on, everybody!
Wow, I really am flying like a bird! Hey!
I'm flying too!
No, we're just falling! I'm so frightened, Daniel!
What's that?
How do we land this thing?
Oh, well, we just, close your eyes
Oh, where are we gonna sleep tonight? We've been walking around all day.
Look, a cave. We can sleep in there for the night.
Wow, I'll go in first.
Hey, wait for me.
Daniel, I want to ask you something.
What?
What does Pavonine Lake look like?
Well, I can only give you a rough idea, Ashley. The lake may be a little different to how I describe it. A senior member of a tribe told me this legend. About every 500 years, the water in every river and lake dries up. The long drought forces all those who can't adapt to move on and look for better and more bountiful pastures. But at the back of the snow-capped mountains lies the beautiful Pavonine Lake in a secret forest. It never dries up, and the water tastes clean and sweet. Green pastures and fruit trees are everywhere, and Pavonine Lake might even make all your dreams come true.
All my dreams?
All your dreams. But the road to Pavonine Lake is very dangerous. It's located at the back of the snow-capped mountains. Fearsome animals and sharp thorn bushes are all along the way. Only the strong and fearless can get there. It's no easy task, fellas.
Wow, it just seems impossible for us to get there in one piece.
Don't worry about it. A brave hero like me can make it, no problem at all. So you guys just follow me.
Anyway, there's no need to worry about it now. It's time for bed. We have to gather food in the morning.
Oh, gather food? It's always cold in the morning and my feet hurt. I want to sleep. Couldn't we just skip food tomorrow?
No, we can't.
Honestly, Daniel, I worry about you.
But I just hate getting up early.
Let's all go to bed now, or none of us will be able to get up in the morning. Ooh, so comfortable. Huh? Come on, let's go to sleep.
Pavonine Lake, my mommy and daddy. Right. The brightest mushrooms are usually the most poisonous. You can't eat them. The edible ones are boring, like these little beauties. This one, and this one, and this one. Oh, well, at least the weather's nice. That will make the walking much easier. And we can fish on the way. I love fishing.
Ashley! Hey! Ashley, look what I've got. We can eat in style now. Yummy, scrubby, delicious fish.
Wow! Brian, they're great for our journey. Now we have mushrooms and fish. That's great stuff. We have a feast.
Hey, what a great day so far.
You're right. Let's go and wake Daniel.
Yeah.
Oh, Daniel said he didn't feel very well this morning. He had a headache. I hope it's not serious. If we start walking soon, we can get the rest of the sunshine. That would be great, wouldn't it? Don't you think? Ah, here we are. I'll go and wake him. Daniel? Daniel, are you awake? Daniel, are you okay? Daniel? Brian, come quick!
Huh? Coming!
Daniel, what's happened? Brian, what should we do?
I don't know. Huh?
Oh, Daniel, he's sick. Brian, what are we gonna do?
How am I supposed to know?
It really hurts.
Hey! Ugh, blah, blah. Huh?
Ashley!
Huh? Oh, have you found some, Brian?
No! I've been looking all night, but I can't find anything glowing. The glowing herb is what we need for Daniel. It will cure the fever. But you can only see it at night. I haven't seen a trace. I don't know where else to look, Ashley. I haven't got a clue what we're gonna do. Poor Daniel.
Many of my friends of the forest say they've seen the glowing herb, but none of them could tell me exactly how it looks. Some say it's surrounded by thick leaves. Some say it's long and skinny. Some say it reflects the color of the sky, but no one seems to know for sure. So who knows, Brian? I don't.
Huh? Now what are we gonna do?
Well, we can't give up. It has to be around here somewhere. Other animals seem to find it. Come on, Brian. Daniel needs us. He's waiting for our help.
Okay, I'll search the mountain again. Be careful.
I will.
These pine nuts are really yummy. Great food like this can only be appreciated by lounging around all day and not hiking. How can I, Daniel the Strong, get sick? I planned on having the fever so Ashley would carry me on the trip, but they told me to rest and left to go and find some herbal nuts. I wouldn't have lied if I'd have known this was going to happen. They've been gone all day and, you know, I'm kind of lonely in here.
What's with these herbs? They've been making my hands itch all day. Daniel's waiting for me. Ooh, what am I supposed to do? Dad, could you give me some guidance? Where's the glowing herb? Where? Ooh, I'm so itchy. Dad, you told me to stay calm in times of trouble. You told me someone can see a lot better when they're calm rather than when they're stressed out. Oh, I wish I could stop itching. Ah, that light. It's the glowing herb.
This should be high enough to see them. Oh, it's so dark. I can't see them in this. They've been gone such a long time and it's late. I shouldn't worry about them. Ashley is with Brian. Now it's time to eat. Oh, why do they have to believe me? They're too naive. I shouldn't worry about them. I won't worry. I won't.
Daniel, hang on in there. I'll get you the glowing medicine. You just wait. Huh? I'll make it, Daniel. I'll get the glowing herb for you. Wow! Phew, that was very close.
Huh? Ashley, what you doing here?
I should ask you the same thing. How did you get to the top? Did you climb?
No, there's a path along the side of the mountain. It's a long way, but it's the only way up. But I guess you're gonna climb to the top, huh?
Well, yeah, but I guess I should have checked for a path.
I made it. Okay, now open your eyes. Easy. I've got to open my eyes, okay? Come on, boy, you can do it. You can do it. You're a brave warrior, aren't you? The air is so fresh up here. I can see everything. I'm so high. You see, there was nothing to be scared of. This is so horrible. Ashley, where are you? I was wrong to pretend to be sick. Where are you? Come back to me, please, Ashley. Ashley! Ashley! Brian! They're back at last! Huh? Oh no! They can't see me up here. They will know I lied about being sick. But how do I get down from this tree? Ow, it hurts! My poor tail!
Ah! I thought I heard Daniel yelling.
Huh? Impossible. Daniel can't even move. He's waiting for us in the cave. Don't worry, we have the herbal glowing medicine. Daniel will be better in no time, and we'll be on our way to Pavonine Mountain.
Huh? You're so right.
Yeah.
Daniel, don't worry. You'll be okay after taking this medicine.
Oh, so this is the magic glowing medicine? Can I eat it?
Sure. It's supposed to be edible, so why not give it a try?
No, it might kill me.
Daniel, why are there so many red bumps all over your face? In fact, they're all over your body, and it's getting worse.
It's nothing. Don't worry about it. It's just, it's nothing, okay?
Huh? Come on, take the medicine. Don't you spit it out. It's the only thing that'll save you.
Yes, it's true, Daniel. You have to swallow all of the glowing herb. Ashley risked life and limb climbing a mountain for this.
Actually, I was a bit silly. I didn't notice. There was a path along the side of the mountain.
Oh, and you did that just for me?
You bet. That's friendship. We will continue our trip to Pavonine Lake when you have fully recovered and feeling fit. Daniel, why are you crying? Is it bitter? Shall I mix it with some sweet fruit?
It's just sweat in my eyes, that's all. Making them sting.
Sweat in your eyes? I've never heard of that before.
Hey, what are you doing?
I was told that half the medicine should be rubbed onto your body. My mom used to do it for me when I had stomach ache.
Thanks, Brian.
Okay, now you need some rest.
I'm so tired too. Now Daniel's okay. Can I finally have some food? Now where is it?
I ate it all. Sorry, guys.
What? There was enough for a whole week. But since you're the sick one in the camp, I suppose you should build your energy up, and then you'll be well again.
Oh, but fellas, then our big trip will be delayed.
Come on, we're friends. We should help each other.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, you're getting medicine all over me.
Sorry.
I'm so hungry.
Huh? Oh.
All of this just for us?
Yes, I did. We'd starve with a little amount of food that you guys collected.
Wow, Daniel, you're all better now.
Ah, of course, I'm all cured. After all, I'm Daniel the Great.
Really? You mean it?
Yeah, I'm fine. Come on, guys, let's get going.
But you had no sleep last night. You may become ill again.
Ashley, listen. We've wasted too much time. I'm leaving now. Are you coming?
Of course we are.
Great! Pack up your things and let's get out of here!
Yeah!
Huh?
The tree!
Quickly, run!
Ah!
Brian, Daniel! Huh?
It's a monster!
Maybe we can follow him to find Ashley.
飞舞的蒲公英，沿着风的轨迹，远离大地，远离我的视线。穿透真心爱就在这里，啦